What is up? It is Dusky. Today we are talking about the top 5 things that you need to start streaming to any platform that you want to. You need a good microphone and you need good audio. Poor audio leads to a faster bounce rate, which basically means that people come to your stream and then leave really fast. I can't tell you the number of times that I went to a stream and they sounded like they were stuck in a well somewhere. I don't want to listen to that. Next up, your lighting and your camera. The reason that you need lighting is because this doesn't look nearly as good as this. So lighting is extremely important. With that, you need a camera. I know you're shy. I know you don't want people to see your face. Don't make excuses. Get a camera. If you don't have a webcam, use your phone. There's an OBS Ninja, which will actually allow you to use your phone as a webcam. And it's a pretty solid camera. Like I said, don't make excuses. If you want to learn how to stream. Number 3, it's going to be good internet and good computer. If you're going to be streaming PC games from your PC, you're going to need a pretty beefy computer. But if you're streaming with your Xbox or your PlayStation or mobile, you're streaming through your computer, then your specifications of your computer don't need to be as beefy. Another big cause of bounce rate is going to be drop frames. So whenever you go onto a stream and you see it kind of skipping around, I've done it before plenty of times, don't worry. That's going to cause people to just bounce right off of the stream. So you need to have decent internet. You need to be able to have an upload speed that can handle you pushing video out. Number 4 is you need some sort of streaming software. Streamlabs OBS or OBS. I just made a video on this exact same topic, which you should choose, OBS or Streamlabs OBS. I think it's up there. So you need that software on your computer to be able to stream. That's actually going to be able to push your feed onto Twitch, Facebook, or YouTube. Number 5, and this is also a pretty big one here, it's another way for viewers to find your stream. There's not people out there looking for your stream. So you need to find a more discoverable platform to basically put yourself out there so people can come to that platform. Then you take the people on that platform and move them over to Twitch. You're not discoverable if all you're doing is streaming. If you're making videos, tweeting, TikTok, something like that, then you're discoverable and then you're gonna build an audience on those platforms. It is near impossible to grow any other way. Thank you so much for coming and watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. I'd really appreciate it. As always, if you haven't already, go watch some of the videos. If you like what you see, be sure to go ahead and subscribe so you can actually be notified whenever I post another video. And also be sure to go ahead and check down below for all the socials: Twitter, Discord, Twitch, TikTok. I don't have MySpace yet. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day and a fantastic week. See ya. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I'm going live. Not going live.